Okay, hello everybody, what's going on? This is Muhammad. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to show that A is equal to B squared divided by 2C minus B. So what we have here, we have a right triangle where one of the angles was partitioned into three equal angles, alpha, 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 generating the lengths A, B, C on the facing side. So the problem is to show that A is equal to B squared divided by 2C minus B. So if you want to give this problem a try, then pause this video, give it a try, and then keep watching this video for a solution. So in order to show that A is equal to B squared divided by 2C minus B, I'll start by assuming that this length here, this side length here is equal to 1. And then what I'm gonna find the tangent of alpha. So the tangent of alpha is basically equal to the opposite divided by the adjacent. The opposite is C divided by the adjacent, which is basically C. And I'll call this equation number 1. And then I'm gonna find the tangent of twice alpha, which is basically equal to twice tangent of alpha divided by 1 minus tangent squared of alpha, and that is gonna be equal to twice C divided by 1 minus C squared. And also this is equal to the opposite, which is B plus C divided by the adjacent, which is equal to 1. So this is going to be equal to B plus C. And I'm going to go call this equation number 2. And I will shift these two equations a little bit to the right just to make them centered. Okay, now from equation 2, I can do cross product, and it implies that twice C is equal to B plus C when we multiply it by 1 minus C squared multiplied by B plus C. And from that, I will solve for C squared multiplied by B plus C, which is equal to 2C, which is equal to B plus C minus 2C, which is basically B minus C. And I'm going to call this equation number 3. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna find, so that's the first step. Second step, the third step is to find the tangent of 3 alpha, which is basically equal to tangent of alpha, which is basically C, plus tangent of twice alpha minus 1 divided by 1 minus tangent of alpha multiplied by tangent squared of alpha minus, tangent of alpha, which is the multiplication, tangent of alpha, tangent twice alpha, which is basically equal to C plus tangent of 2 alpha is basically B plus C divided by 1 minus C multiplied by B plus C. And of course, this is going to be equal to A plus B plus C, which is basically the opposite side, divided by the adjacent, which is 1. And I'm gonna call this equation can be rewritten as this implies that twice C plus B divided by 1 minus C multiplied by B plus C equals to A plus B plus C, and I'm gonna call this equation number 4. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna substitute equation number 3 and equation number 4. So 3 and 4 gives us, okay, so it gives us twice C plus B, which is the numerator, and instead of the denominator, before this step, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna multiply equation number 4, the left hand side by C over C, so that's not going to change, okay, it's quantity. Okay, so I will multiply C by C multiplied by equation number 4, and that's going to give us twice C squared plus BC divided by C minus C squared multiplied by B plus C, and that's going to be equal to A plus B plus C. And from this equation, now I'm going to call this equation number 5. And the next step is to substitute equation number 3 in equation number 5. And that's going to give us twice c squared plus bc, I'm sorry, divided by c minus, and instead of c squared multiplied by b plus c, which is basically this side here, okay, so I'm gonna substitute b minus c instead of that. So minus b minus c, and that's gonna be equal to a plus b plus c. Now I will just simplify the terms. So 2c squared plus bc, that's gonna give us a plus b plus c multiplied by the denominator there, which is c minus b plus c, so it's going to be 2c minus b, twice c minus b. And this is going to be equal to this is going to be equal to 2ac, okay, 2ac plus minus b minus ab. So a multiplied by 2c, 2ac minus ab plus 2bc minus b squared plus twice c squared minus bc. Okay, and then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cancel the terms on either side of the equation that are similar to each other. For example, 2bc minus bc, that's gonna give us bc, that's gonna cancel with this one. And also 2c squared is gonna cancel with 2c squared. So with that, we're gonna be left out with what? With 1 equal to, I will take the a as a common factor, and that's going to give us 2c minus b minus b squared, and from that we can get the b squared to the other side, and that's going to give us a equals to b squared over twice c minus b, and that is basically the final result. Okay, so with this we conclude this video. Hope you guys like this video. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit like. Thank you for watching, and see you in another video.